Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve into India's transformative 3D printing landscape. This remarkable technology, known for its additive manufacturing capabilities, is not just changing how we produce goods, it's redefining entire industries. Picture a world where intricate parts are made right in front of you, customized to your specifications, all from the comfort of your workspace. 3D printing represents a shift toward efficiency and precision, and India is ready to lead this charge into the future. The potential for growth in India's 3D printing market is simply staggering, projected to reach USD 150 billion by 2032. The meteoric rise can be attributed to several key factors. First, we see a surge in adoption across multiple sectors, from healthcare, where 3D printing produces personalized prosthetics tailored to patients' needs, to aerospace, where manufacturers can quickly prototype complex components. Envision the impact this can have across industries, dramatically shortening lead times and enhancing product customization on an unprecedented scale. Investment is another crucial catalyst behind this burgeoning market. The Indian government is vigorously promoting initiatives aimed at digital manufacturing, laying the groundwork for an innovation-friendly ecosystem. Private enterprises are recognizing the immense potential and are investing heavily in 3D technology. This collaborative effort is setting the stage for a revolutionary transformation in how products are developed and manufactured in India. However, this ambitious journey is not without its hurdles. One significant challenge is the shortage of skilled technicians needed to operate and innovate within this space. For aspiring engineers and tech-savvy individuals, this represents an extraordinary career opportunity and a chance to be part of something monumental. Furthermore, regulatory and intellectual property concerns present additional challenges that stakeholders need to navigate thoughtfully. These hurdles must be overcome if India is to truly realize its potential in the global 3D printing arena. As we reflect on this rapid evolution, we want to hear from you. Is the future of 3D printing exciting to you? What ideas do you have about the transformative power of this technology in your life or industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation. If you're passionate about uncovering more on this dynamic topic, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into technology and innovation. Invite a friend to join in this exploration of the future of manufacturing. In summary, India is on the cusp of becoming a global frontrunner in the 3D printing arena. This revolutionary technology is primed to reshape the landscape of production, innovation, and creativity. Stay connected for more exciting updates. And remember to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, keep aiming high and reaching for the stars.